Thank you so much. Hot. You like it? What do you think? Yeah, I don't like it. But I'm gonna eat it because I paid for it.
I thought you had it already.
No, I've never had it.
You said you tried it.
No, not this one. No, I've never tried this one.
Now you know.
Yeah. I don't like
If I
it.
see you again, I'm gonna give you the it's called Dinum one.
The what?